and hear me a long while ago. I'm just quit my eye one time I appear here so.
Just try, you know,
We
say,
are there.
me a run a race this man now. By the time I go finish line to Ross, me there, so I don't know what I'm going.
Ah, kid.
We get draft. I be okay, yes, so. If I move now, no.
I'm afraid.
Listen, if you don't move now, you're going dead. You are dead. Yes, so. Take on the boy then. Yes, my friend.
Yeah, yeah. Man up.
Come if man up and take my balls. Why they want? Why them a go blood clot get?